So today we are going to start with the new lesson, three-dimensional coordinate geometry. First, we will learn some important points so that after that we can do the problems easily. In three-dimensional geometry, equation of x-axis is given as y equal to 0, z equal to 0. Equation of y-axis is given as z equal to 0, x equal to 0. And equation of z-axis is given as x equal to 0, y equal to 0. Similarly, equation of YOZ plane is given as x equal to 0. Equation of ZOX plane is given as y equal to 0. And equation of XOY plane is given as z equal to 0. So in three-dimensional geometry, this is origin, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is z-axis. So the floor is called XOY plane. The wall in the front is called XOZ plane. And the side wall is called YOZ plane. Next, in a plane, if point A is given as x1, y1, z1, and point B is given as x2, y2, z2, the distance between the 2 points AB is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. Next, suppose if there is a point x1, y1, z1 and another point x2, y2, z2. The line joining these 2 points is divided by a point P in the ratio m is to n. Then the coordinates of P can be written as x coordinate as mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Y coordinate as my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. And z coordinate as mz2 plus nz1 by m plus n. Suppose if P is midpoint of AB, then coordinates of P are given as x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, z1 plus z2 by 2. Next point is, suppose in a triangle, there is a triangle, the vertices are A, x1, y1, z1, B, x2, y2, z2, C, x3, y3, z3. You are drawing the median AD, median BE, and median CF. The 3 medians meet at a point which is called centroid of the triangle. It is denoted by G, and the coordinates of the centroid are x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 by 3. Similarly, there is a tetrahedron. Tetrahedron looks like this. The base is a triangle and 3 sides are triangles. A is x1, y1, z1. B is x2, y2, z2. C is x3, y3, z3. And D is x4, y4, z4. The centroid of such a tetrahedron is given as x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 by 4, y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 by 4, z1 plus z2 plus z3 plus z4 by 4. Okay, next. Question number 7. It's not question, it is point number 7. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is z-axis, this is origin. Now I will take a point P here. I will join O and P. This line OP makes an angle alpha with x-axis and angle beta with y-axis and angle gamma with z-axis. So these angles alpha, beta, gamma are called direction angles of P, whereas cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma, they are called direction cosines of the line OP. Now, this cos alpha is denoted by L, cos beta is denoted by M, and cos gamma is denoted by N. Suppose L, M, N are direction cosines of the line OP. If L by A is equal to M by B equal to N by C, then A, B, C are called direction ratios. I'll write this again. Direction ratios of OP line. L, M, N are called direction cosines. A, B, C are called direction ratios. Then there are some few properties of these direction cosines. L square plus M square plus N square, it will be always 1. Similarly, cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma, cos square gamma is equal to 1. And sine square alpha plus sine square beta plus sine square gamma is equal to 2. So these are the formulas you have to remember. Okay, next formula. 7th we did. This I can take as 8th. Now 9th. Suppose there is a line PQ. P is given as x1, y1, z1. Q is given as x2, y2, z2. Then direction cosines of the line PQ is given as x2 minus x1 by PQ, y2 minus y1 by PQ, z1 minus z2 or z2 minus z1 by PQ. So if PQ is given, x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2 are the coordinates of P and Q. The direction cosines of PQ can be, the direction cosines of the line PQ can be written like this. And some more things about these direction cosines. Cos theta can be written as L1, L2 plus M1, M2 plus N1, N2. Suppose there are two lines, R equal to A plus TB and another line R equal to A plus SB. If the angle between the lines is theta, then cos theta, I will make some changes here. I will take B dash to remember it. Or I can take a different letter also. So to find the angle, cos theta is B dot B dash by mod of B times into mod of B dash. This is how you get the angle between the two lines. If the two lines are perpendicular, then B dot B dash will be equal to 0. If the given two lines are parallel, you can write B will be equal to K into B dash if the lines are parallel. Okay, we can go to the next one. We did 9th. This is 10th. We will go to 11th. The 11th point is, if the direction cosines of this line are L1, M1, N1 and direction cosines of this line are L2, M2, N2, then if these two lines are perpendicular to each other, then I can say L1, L2 plus M1, M2 plus N1, N2 equal to 0. But if these two lines are parallel to each other, then I can say L1 will be equal to L2, M1 will be equal to M2, N1 will be equal to N2. Similarly, as I wrote with direction cosines, if there are two lines whose direction ratios, not direction cosines, direction ratios are A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2. Then if lines are perpendicular, I can write A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 will be 0. And if lines are parallel, then I can say A1 by A2 will be equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. Next, 13th. There is a line AB. Its direction cosines are L, M, N. Now, I will take another line. There is a line PQ. So, if you are projecting PQ on AB, the length of this projection, we can find out if P is given as x1, y1, z1, Q as x2, y2, z2. So the length of this projection will be x2 minus x1 into L plus y2 minus y1 into M plus z2 minus z1 into N. Next, we will learn a few points about plane. Plane means like this, a paper, a sheet of paper, or whatever it is. The general form of equation of a plane is ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. If d is 0, then it will be ax plus by plus c z equal to 0. This is the plane. This is the general form or standard form. So the number I forgot to write, 14th number. This is 14th. Next we will go to 15th. You can write equation of plane in normal form. One is you can write r dot n equal to p, or the other way is lx plus my plus nz equal to p. There is also one point form of equation of a plane. That is, the plane is passing through the point x1, y1, z1. Then that equation will be a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 equal to 0. Then 17th is, if a plane is passing through 3 points, P is x1, y1, z1, Q is x2, y2, z2, and R is x3, y3, z3. Through 3 points. Then we can write equation of plane first in determinant form. That is x, y, z1, x1, y1, z1, 1, x2, y2, z2, 1, x3, y3, z3, 1. I will take determinant of this and equal to 0. This will be the equation of the plane. Now, if you have, which number is that? 17th. If you have a plane whose equation is ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. If you want to find x-intercept, put y equal to 0 and z equal to 0. Similarly, y-intercept, z equal to 0, x equal to 0. Z-intercept, x equal to 0, y equal to 0. Like this you can find intercepts. Coming to point number 19. If there is a plane, it is passing through the point A and its normal vector is n. Then equation of the plane will be r minus a dot n is equal to 0. Or the Cartesian form of equation will be x minus a1 into n1 plus y minus a2 into n2 plus z minus a3 into n3 equal to 0. Where the point A's coordinates are a1, a2, a3. And the vector n is n1, n2, n3. Coming to point number 20. Suppose if there are two planes, equation of this plane is a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 equal to 0. And equation of this plane is a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 equal to 0. Then you can find the angle between the planes. Angle between the planes is theta. So cos theta equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 by square root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into square root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. If the planes are perpendicular, that is, if the angle between the planes is 90 degrees, what will happen? If the planes are parallel, what will happen? There are two possibilities. The planes can be perpendicular, the planes can be parallel. So if the planes are perpendicular, that means if the angle between them, theta, is 90 degrees, then A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 will be 0. But if the planes are parallel, angle between them will be 0, then or 180 degrees also. Then A1 by A2 will be equal to B1 by B2 will be equal to C1 by C2. Next is 21. Equation of plane in intercept form is x by A plus y by B plus z by C equal to 1. Next, if there are two planes, like this plane equation is r dot n equal to q. And if there is another plane whose equation is r dot n dash is equal to q dash, then the angle theta between the planes can be found by taking cos theta equal to n dot n dash by mod of n into mod of n dash. If the two planes are perpendicular, that is if theta is 90, then n dot n dash will be 0. If the two planes are parallel, that is theta will be 0 degrees or 180 degrees, then in such case, n will be equal to lambda into n dash. Next, 23rd point. If there is a plane whose equation is ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0, and if there is another plane parallel to this plane, then its equation will be ax plus by plus cz plus k equal to 0. K can be any number. Point number 24 is, suppose there is a point x1, y1, z1, and there is a plane whose equation is ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. Then the perpendicular distance d between the point and the plane is given as d is equal to absolute value of ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d by square root of a square plus b square plus c square. Next, coming to straight line, if there is a straight line passing through the point x1, y1, z1 and having direction cosines L, M, N, then the equation of the straight line is x minus x1 by L equal to y minus y1 by M equal to z minus z1 by N. But if there is an equation of straight line, we have to find which is passing through two points x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2. We have to find the equation. That will be x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. Or if point number 27 I will write, if a line is passing through the points A and B, then the equation of the line is R equal to A plus lambda into B minus A. This form also can be taken. Now, 28 is, there is a plane. The equation of this plane is R dot N is equal to P. And there is a line. The equation of this line is R equal to A plus lambda B. Then we can find the angle between the line and the plane by taking sine theta equal to B dot N by mod of B into mod of N. Mod of B and mod of N we have to multiply. This is how we can find the angle. Okay. Now, coming to the next point. What's the next point? 29th. Point number 29, I will write here. Cartesian equation of a line is x minus x1 by L equal to y minus y1 by M equal to z minus z1 by N. And Cartesian equation of a plane is ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. So all these points you have to remember. With the help of all these points and some more important points, we can do questions. We can do some problems. Let us take the first question from here. The first question is asking the ratio in which the line joining 2 points 2, 4, 5 and 3, 5, minus 9 is divided by YZ plane is. So suppose this is the point A, 2, 4, 5. This is the point B, 3, 5, 9. This is the line joining. And then this is divided by a YZ plane. This is YZ plane. It is divided at this point P. Now, how will you know the point P? Because the point P is in YZ plane. And suppose the point P is dividing this line in the ratio k is to 1, which I don't know. But how will I find the point P? I can use 3 into k plus 2 into 1 by k plus 1, 5 into k plus 4 into 1 by k plus 1, minus 9 into k plus 5 into 1 by k plus 1. So this is the point on YZ plane. On YZ plane, x will be 0. X coordinate will be 0. So I can set this equal to 0. That means 3k plus 2 equal to 0, or k is minus 2 by 3. That means the ratio which they are asking is minus 2:3. That is what is asked. Okay, next second question. The distance of the plane through the point 1, 1, 1 and perpendicular to the line x minus 1 by 3 equal to y minus 1 by 0 equal to z minus 1 by 4 from origin is. So, suppose this is origin. Suppose this is the plane. The plane is passing through the point 1, 1, 1. And the plane is perpendicular to the line x minus 1 by 3 equal to y minus 1 by 0 equal to z minus 1 by 4. Then what you have to find? You have to find distance of the plane from origin. This distance you have to find. So first of all, I will write equation of the plane. What is equation of the plane? Because it is passing through the point 1, 1, 1. It will be a into x minus 1 plus b into y minus 1 plus c into z minus 1 equal to 0. And the equation and the line are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular means this line is only the normal. The line is normal, or the line is parallel to the normal. Suppose this is the normal. This is the normal. So I can say either the line is only normal or the line is parallel to the normal. Parallel to the normal means what? When line is parallel to normal, what will you say? The direction cosines of the plane and direction cosines of the line, you can compare. A by 3 equal to b by 0 equal to c by 4. Isn't it? So, equation of the plane, I can write 3 into x minus 1 plus 0 into y minus 1 plus 4 into z minus 1 equal to 0, or 3x plus 4z minus 7 equal to 0. Now you have origin 0, 0, 0 and you have plane. What is the equation of the plane? 3x plus 4z minus 7 equal to 0. How will you find the perpendicular distance? What is the formula? 0 plus 0, you will take mod of minus 7 by root of 3 square plus 4 square. So 7 by 5 will be the distance. Let's go to question number 3. The equation of plane containing two lines. So this plane has two lines. One line is x minus 1 by 2 equal to y plus 1 by minus 1 equal to z by 3. And the other line is x by 2 equal to y minus 2 by minus 1 equal to z plus 1 by minus 3. You have to find equation of the plane. So because the plane is passing through first line, this is the first line. That means the plane will be passing through the point 1, minus 1, 0. And because the plane is passing through second line also, this is the second line. That means the plane is passing through the point 0, 2, minus 1. So, I can take equation of plane passing through 1, minus 1, 0 as a into x minus 1 plus b into x plus 1 plus c into z minus 0 equal to 0. But this plane is passing through the other point also. Right? So what happens is, first of all, the direction cosines of the line, direction cosines of line 1 are 2, minus 1, 3. So I can write 2a minus 1b plus 3c equal to 0. That is one equation I will get. Now, because the plane is passing through the other point also, that is 0, 2, minus 1, plane, this plane, equation 1, is passing through 0, 2, minus 1. I can write a into 0 minus 1, b into 2 plus 1, c into minus 1 equal to 0. So I will get minus a plus 3b minus c equal to 0. This I will take equation 2. This I will take equation 3. Now I have to solve these two equations. Which two equations? 2a minus b plus 3c equal to 0 minus a plus 3b minus c equal to 0. So if I solve it, I get a by, I have to multiply these two minus these two. So 1 minus 9 equal to b by, I have to multiply these two minus these two. So it is minus 3 plus 2 equal to c by, I have to multiply these two, 6 minus 1. Or a by minus 8 equal to b by minus 1 equal to C by 5. Or A by 8 equal to B by 1 equal to C by minus 5. That means equation of the plane, in place of A, I can write 8 into x minus 1. In place of B, 1 into y plus 1. In place of C, minus 5 into z equal to 0. Or 8x plus y minus 5z minus 7 equal to 0. This is how I will get the equation of the plane. We'll go to the next question, fourth question. The equation of line, or we will take plane. Line we will come later. First we will take the plane sums. Then we will come to line sums. Okay, equation of a plane through the line of intersection of planes x plus y plus z minus 6 equal to 0, 2x plus 3y plus 4z plus 5 equal to 0. And the point 1, 1, 1 is, so there is a plane. It is passing through line of intersection of two planes. So this is one plane. The two planes which we are talking about, this is the other plane. So this is the line of intersection. So what will I write here? This first plane is x plus y plus z minus 6 equal to 0. The second plane is 2x plus 3y plus 4z plus 5 equal to 0. For these two planes, this is the line of intersection, and the red plane is passing through the line of intersection. At the same time, it is passing through the point 1, 1, 1 also. You have to find equation of the plane. Red color plane equation you have to find. Because the red plane is passing through line of intersection. So equation of plane can be given as, you can take x plus y plus z minus 6 plus lambda into, or k into any number. K into 2x plus 3y plus 4z plus 5 equal to 0. Now this one passes through the point 1, 1, 1. Put it here. 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 6 plus k into 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Or k will be equal to, here 3 minus 6. Minus 3 will come this side. 3 by 5 plus 4, 9 plus 5, 14. So k you are getting 3 by 14. Once you know k, you can easily find equation of plane. What is the equation of plane? X plus y plus z minus 6 plus k I got 3 by 14 into the other plane 2x plus 3y plus 4z plus 5 equal to 0. Or I can write 14x plus 14y plus 14z minus 84 plus 6x plus 9y plus 12z plus 15 equal to 0. Or in other words, I can write 20x plus 23y plus 26z minus 69 equal to 0. This is what is asked in the question. And we found it. So we can go to question number 5. The plane which passes through the point 3, 2, 0 and it is passing through the line also. X minus 3 by 1 equal to y minus 6 by 5 equal to z minus 4 by 4 is because the plane is passing through point and line for the first time. Seeing the problems like this, passing through point and line. So you can write equation of the plane roughly. A into x minus 3 plus b into y minus 6 plus c into z minus 4 equal to 0. And this is equation of plane. If you take direction cosines of this line and direction cosines of the plane, you can say a plus 5b plus 5c will be equal to 0. It is 4, not 5. This is 4. A plus 5b plus 4c equal to 0. Now, because the plane is passing through a point 3, 2, 0. It's given. It is passing through 3, 2, 0. So you can write A into 3 minus 3 plus B into 2 minus 6 plus C into 0 minus 4 equal to 0. Or minus 4B minus 4C equal to 0. Or B plus C equal to 0. Now, because you have one equation B plus C equal to 0 and already one more equation we got A plus 5B plus 4C equal to 0. We can solve these two equations. A by 4 minus 5 equal to B by 1 minus 0 equal to C by 0 minus 1. Or A by minus 1 equal to B by 1 equal to C by minus 1. That means A I can put minus 1. Minus 1 into x minus 3. Then B I can put 1. 1 into y minus 6. C I can put minus 1. So I have minus 1 into z minus 4 equal to 0. Or I can write x minus 3 minus y minus 6 plus z minus 4 equal to 0. Or x minus y plus z minus 1 equal to 0. This is how I got equation of the plane. Just simplifying. Okay, we will go to question number 6. We have to find the shortest distance between the lines. There are two lines. X minus 1 by 2 equal to y minus 2 by 3 equal to z minus 3 by 4. And x minus 2 by 3 equal to y minus 4 by 4 equal to z minus 5 by 5 is to find the shortest distance. I have to write this line in the form r equal to a1 plus t b1. And this line r equal to a2 plus t into b2. So what is a1? A1 you will take 1, 2, 3. 1i plus 2j plus 3k. Next, what will I take B1? The direction ratios 2i plus 3j plus 4k. What will I take A2? These points 2, 4, 5. 2i plus 4j plus 5k. What is B2? The direction cosines 3, 4, 5. 3i plus 4j plus 5k. Now, how will you write the shortest distance? The shortest distance formula is A2 minus A1 dot B1 cross B2 by mod of B1 cross B2. These all are formulas which you have to remember. So shortest distance will be when I take A2 minus A1, I will get I plus 2j plus 2k dot B1 cross B2. That means 2i plus 3j plus 4k cross 3i plus 4j plus 5k. And then by mod of B1 cross B2. B1 is 2i plus 3j plus 4k cross B2. So I have to take cross of 3i plus 4j plus 5k and I have to take absolute value. That means in numerator, I have to take determinant of 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. And in denominator, I have mod of minus sign plus 2j minus k. So if I take the determinant of this, what I will get? 1 into 15 minus 16 minus 2 into 10 minus 12 plus 2 into 8 minus 9. So this is -1, -2 and -2 will become +4. 8 minus 9 is -1, so -2. That is, I get 1. And then I have to divide by root of 1 plus 4 plus 1. 1 by root 6 will be the answer. The shortest distance. So I think this is enough for today. You can come prepared for the next class by learning trigonometry. We will go to trigonometry after this. So with this, we will end the session.